For fast and easy support of conduits across strut channel, ask for Garvin Industries one-piece strut clamps. They come with a unique hook design at the bottom of the clamp, a soft saddle on the interior that bites against the conduit or cable, and an easy hex head Phillips slotted combo set screw. To install this product and secure the conduit across the strut, simply align it with and on top of the conduit and drop the hooks down in the strut channel, like so. Once they're in, twist slightly so that the U shape is aligned with the conduit and the saddle mounts perfectly over the EMT. As you can see, the hooks are aligned with the back side of the strut channel. You're now ready to take your screwdriver and bite down on the pipe, securing it against the strut channel. As you can see, it's a nice tight installation that won't go anywhere. And these are typically used on overhead applications. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.